And I've got to talk about Peyton Manning and what he thinks is going to happen with him for the rest of the season.
I think maybe Peyton sits out the rest of the season.
You think so?
He's pretty hurt, they said. His foot problems are pretty
and then Brock,
bad.
I wonder how the new guy's going to do. Brock Osweiler.
Yeah.
Like, you have to.
Let me ask you, can you tell that Kristen is a Denver Broncos fan?
Yeah, I have no idea.
Breaking my heart this season, though.
What's happening out there right now?
Well, I have one of Stan's favorite spots, Astoria. Beautiful sunset happening. It's going down and turning dark pretty quickly, but certainly nice to see. I'm telling you, just about all week this week, the end of last week, every time I pulled this camera up, it was just nothing but rain, rain, rain. We got over 9 inches, almost 10 inches within just 6 days in this area. So it's kind of nice to see that little peak of sunshine there as it does set. 49 degrees there. It'll be a chilly night for the coast and a chilly night for us here in Portland, too. 47 degrees out there right now. Winds coming in from the east at 6, and we'll see light winds for the rest of the night. And again, temperatures will continue to drop, but no more rain to talk about, and the winds will continue to stay light, too. So it's all going to be about getting the winter coats out as we get ready for a big chill, especially as we head into next week. So low 40s by 9 o'clock, and then we're going to be dipping down into the 30s as we head towards midnight and after that. Out around Oregon here, you can see that things have really started to taper off for the Cascades. Things are really quiet up in Washington, but we still have some snow trying to come down across parts of I-84 just east of Pendleton there. And so we'll have to watch out for tricky road conditions, but we still do have those winter weather advisories in effect. Everything winding down now, but at this point temperatures are going to be dropping, and so what's on the ground now is going to stay there, and so the roads could mean some tricky travel. So that goes until 10 p.m. tonight. Be careful all the way through the overnight hours because of the chill. Overnight lows tonight will dip down into the 20s out east. We're already in the 30s for Redmond and Pendleton, and of course from the 40s for I-5, but there again we'll see those temperatures in the mid-30s. So this is where we start off tomorrow morning. It'll be on the chilly side, 20s across eastern Oregon there, and so we'll see another chilly day for us, and it'll get even cooler tomorrow night. As far as the rain and the cloud cover goes, the rain and the snow moving on out, but the cloud cover we'll try to move back in a little bit tomorrow, so we'll watch out for some patchy fog and a little bit of low cloud cover in the morning. And then for the afternoon and evening, you can see some of those clouds trying to move in from the south there across the valley and into the Cascades. But once we get into Friday, even the cloud cover will be tough to come by. We'll have to watch out for maybe some patchy fog in the valley here and there. But look at this. This is the forecast model going into Saturday, and it's going to look really similar to this for Sunday too. And we're looking at a lot of sunshine, and that means we warm things up really quickly during the day, but at night those temperatures could really bottom out. And I'll show you the numbers in the 7-day. Here's a look at your forecast for your Friday. Upper 40s for highs. Central and eastern Oregon, we're looking at temperatures topping out in the 30s and 40s there. Your full breakdown for Portland tomorrow, 38 at 7 a.m., low 40s by 10 a.m., and then highs tomorrow in the upper 40s with partly sunny skies for the afternoon. If you're headed to the coast this weekend, we'll find some sunshine. How about that? It's been a long time coming, but we'll see it this weekend. Highs in the 50s, lows at night, chilly down into the 30s and 40s. If you're headed up to the mountain this weekend, I know Timberline's opening up Bruno this weekend, and temperatures will be in the 30s, of course, up there. Temperatures at night down into the teens, so it'll be a little chilly, but a lot of sunshine, so don't forget that sunscreen up there on the mountain this weekend if you head up. For the gorge, sunny skies, highs in the 40s and 50s, a little blustery at times, so it'll feel pretty chilly out there. And then Central Oregon, Bend, Madras, back towards Lapine, should be a beautiful weekend. Temperatures in the 40s during the day, and then down into the low to mid 20s at night. Here's a 7-day forecast for Portland, and we're going to be looking at even cooler conditions next week. Upper 40s as we head into the weekend. Look at the lows tomorrow night, 35, Saturday 34. They come back up a little bit as the next system moves in Monday, Tuesday, and then behind that, we could get into some Arctic air. And so this may actually be optimistic. Highs in the low 40s, lows down into the upper 20s. Some forecast models hinting at the teens perhaps next week, so definitely something you'll want to pay attention to. Could definitely be the coldest air we've seen so far this season.
Okay, so we see that cold air right there. There's no moisture.
Right. The cold air comes in after the moisture. That's what it looks like right now, but you know there's going to be that transition zone.
Day, yeah.
And so we'll be watching that really closely to see how that plays out.
Thanks, Chris.
Teens, yeah, that's cold.